Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the iPhone XR so the add process is seamless. Make sure your iOS is current and you are signed into your Apple ID. This avoids verification delays. Enable Face ID or a passcode because Wallet requires a secure authentication method. Once done, open the Wallet app and tap the plus icon in the top right to begin adding a credit, debit, or transit card. You're now at the point where the camera can capture card details, or you can enter them manually. You'll next add the card itself and complete verification. Position the card inside the camera frame so Wallet autofills the number, or tap to type details manually. Expiration and CVC must be accurate. Then review and accept the card issuer's terms, confirm your billing address and contact information. Make sure to choose how you want to verify: SMS code, bank app approval, or a phone call. Once the issuer confirms, Wallet will display the card ready for use and store verification receipts. Finish by choosing a default card for Apple Pay and enabling Express Transit if you use public transport. This removes the need to authenticate for quick taps. To test, hold your iPhone XR near a contactless reader. You should see the card animation and feel a haptic confirmation. If it fails, restart your phone, confirm region and date settings, and try removing and re-adding the card. If problems persist, contact your card issuer to confirm compatibility and authorization with Apple Wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.